Welcome to The Explainer. So glad you're here. If you've been paying any attention to the digital world lately, you've probably noticed that AI art is evolving crazy fast. Like, seriously, it feels like every single month a brand new tool just drops out of nowhere, promising vastly better images, lightning-fast workflows, and an incredible boost to your creativity. It's an incredibly exciting time to be a creator, but man, it can also be incredibly overwhelming. So today, we're going to cut right through all that noise. We're mastering the canvas and choosing your definitive AI art tool for 2026. So here's our roadmap for today. First, the AI trap. Then, the power of mastery. After that, top tools for 2026, finding your perfect match. And finally, your future advantage. Let's dive in. Section 1. The AI tool trap. We're talking overwhelm and FOMO. Look, if you're feeling totally exhausted trying to keep up with the daily AI news cycle, your tool fatigue is completely valid. It's real. There are just so many platforms flooding the market right now that most people end up paralyzed by the choices. But if you actually want to build a business, become a serious creator, or, make actual money with AI art, you have to answer this million-dollar question. Which AI art tools should you commit to in 2026? Well, let's figure it out together. Right now, every creator is at a crossroads. It's jumping platforms versus mastering one. The failing strategy is basically shiny object syndrome, jumping ship to a new platform every time an update drops and never actually learning the nuances of any of them. The winning strategy? Picking a single lane and becoming a master. Which brings us to Section 2, the power of mastery. Depth over breadth. Because here's the thing, the most successful creators generating real revenue, they aren't using 10 different tools with 50 browser tabs open. No way. They pick one or two and they build highly efficient systems around them. When you deeply understand a tool, everything changes. You aren't just typing random prompts and hoping for the best anymore. You learn the specific syntax, the weird little quirks, the advanced lighting controls, and that transforms you from just a casual user into a true expert who can actually offer high-value services to clients. The ultimate goal isn't to casually use every AI tool out there. The goal is to become absolutely excellent with just one. All right, Section 3, top tools for 2026. Let's meet the contenders. Let's do an objective breakdown of the heavyweights here. First up, tool number 1, ChatGPT image generation. This is the super accessible, conversational powerhouse that introduced, millions of people to the world of AI art in the first place. Its pros are just undeniable. It's ridiculously easy to use, mostly because you literally just talk to it like a person. It's the ultimate tool for beginners and offers incredibly solid all-around generation. Because of that, it's absolutely perfect for pumping out social media graphics, YouTube thumbnails, quick marketing visuals, and just general creative brainstorming. Without a doubt, this is the top pick for content creators and small business owners who need great images fast, without some massive learning curve. Okay, let's shift gears to tool number 2. Midjourney. Now, if ChatGPT is your friendly assistant, Midjourney is like the uncompromising, high-end digital artist locked in the studio. Midjourney is famous for one main thing, absolutely breathtaking artistic quality. It also boasts a remarkably strong community of prompters who are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's even possible. Because it hits that level of professional excellence, it is absolutely perfect for cinematic art, lush fantasy illustrations, high-end digital artwork, and highly detailed print-on-demand designs. If you're a dedicated artist or graphic designer looking for total visual dominance, Midjourney is definitely your weapon of choice. Next up, let's look at tool number 3, Adobe Firefly. This is basically where AI art puts on a suit and goes to the corporate office. The crucial thing to understand about Adobe Firefly is its ecosystem. Its absolute biggest pro is that it seamlessly integrates directly into Adobe products like Photoshop and Illustrator, the exact tools professionals are already using every single day. It offers a highly business-friendly workflow and is built from the ground up for professional design. That means it's perfect for commercial projects, official marketing materials, and strict graphic design pipelines. For freelancers and agencies doing client work where commercial safety and workflow integration are just non-negotiable, Firefly is simply unmatched. Moving right along to tool number 4, Leonardo AI. Now, this platform has carved out an incredibly passionate niche for itself, and for very good reason. Leonardo AI absolutely shines when it comes to customization. The sheer amount of control you get over model fine-tuning and image generation pipelines is staggering. It's highly tailored for designers and especially game creators. If your focus is generating consistent game assets, doing deep character design, or fleshing out world-building concept art, Leonardo gives you the exact levers and dials you need to pull it off perfectly. And finally, we have tool number 5, Flux and Open Models. This category is really for the tinkerers, the builders, and the absolute control freaks out there. And hey, I mean that as a compliment. What you need to know here is that open models, like Flux, give you unparalleled granular control. They are infinitely flexible. You can actually run them locally on your own hardware, which often translates to a much lower cost at scale. But fair warning, they do require some technical know-how. This route is absolutely perfect for advanced power users, developers, and really anyone who wants to build completely custom, untethered workflows, where you dictate every single rule of the canvas. All right, section 4, finding your perfect match. Who should actually use what? So it's time to pair your specific career goals to the exact tool you should commit to. This is basically your ultimate cheat sheet for 2026. Honestly, I take a mental screenshot of this matrix to conquer that FOMO once and for all. Let's break it down. If you're a beginner, stick to ChatGPT for easy, all-purpose generation. Identify as an artist seeking jaw-dropping quality, Midjourney is your home. Are you a designer? You're going to want Adobe Firefly to fit your professional workflow. Building an AI business? Find the specific niche tool that creates the most value for your clients. And if you're a power user demanding total control, Fluxin and Open Models are waiting for you. Which leads us to Section 5, your future advantage, building in 2026. Now that you know what to choose, let's talk about the massive opportunities waiting for you once you actually start building. Success in this space really boils down to this super actionable 4-step formula. Step 1, pick one tool from the list we just went through. Seriously, make a decision today. Step 2, learn it deeply. Read the documentation, watch the tutorials, understand its quirks. Step 3, build with it. Put it into practice. Start generating assets, portfolios, or products. And step 4, stay consistent. Please don't jump ship when a shiny new toy goes viral on social media next week. Stick to your chosen tool and master it. I really want to leave you with a core philosophy today. At the end of the day, the software is just software. The tool itself won't make you successful. Your skills, your unique creativity, and your daily consistency, that's what will. The AI is simply the brush. You are still the artist. Because look, the AI art industry, despite how incredibly fast it's moving, is still in its very early stages. The creators who master these tools today are going to have a monumental advantage in 2026, finding opportunities that literally did not exist just a few years ago. So I'll leave you with this final provocative thought. What will you build tomorrow by committing today? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to subscribe for more insights into AI, technology, and making money in your digital future. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.